Hey, how's it going, guys? If you're looking for a side gig that you can start today, well, consider yourself lucky because today's video offers you a brand new strategy that will allow you to do work in literally just a few seconds time. If you follow all of the steps and tips that I will be sharing with you in this video, you might even make more than what you do from your day job. And the best part is you can achieve this without any technical skills or special equipment whatsoever. You can also do this from anywhere in the world and for absolutely free. And if you're as excited as I am to start, then stick around with me for the entire video and I'll let you in on every single trick that you'll need to succeed. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. If achieving financial freedom is your goal, or if you're looking for ways to help yourself become more financially savvy, well, you've come to the right place because this is exactly what we talk about day in and day out on this very channel. Give us a like, a share, and also consider subscribing to the channel and let's grow our bank accounts together. With that said, let's go make some money. The very first thing that we need to do for this strategy is go to a site where you can download photos for free. My go-to is pixabay.com. So let's head over there now. And on this website search bar, I want you to type in black and white photos or simply black and white. The page should populate with pictures just like these ones, and you may not see it yet, but having all of these monochromatic photos is a money-making opportunity right here. After Pixabay, we can head on over to the next platform that we'll be using, and it's another free online tool that you can use to edit images and graphic designs. It has a simple, beginner-friendly interface, so don't worry about not having any graphic design skills. You'll be able to add color to black and white images, and it's exactly what you'll need to earn a few bucks. The platform that I'm sharing with you is called hotpot.ai, and if you upload a black and white photo from our first source Pixabay or from anywhere else for that matter, you can color them here really simply by selecting colorization factor, which you can find right here, and then you can sell them from prices starting at $10 or all the way up to $20, quick and easy. So let me do a quick demo to show you. Here's a photo that I took from Pixabay. It's monochromatic, and to color it, I can simply upload it here on hotpot.ai. Select the colorization factor over here, and with the click of a button and just a few seconds, I get a completely new look, a completely colored version of it, free of charge and completely online. I did not have to download any special software or pay for anything at all. Another great thing about it is that you can choose to do this on whichever device that you have on hand. If you have a laptop or a desktop computer, go ahead and use that. Otherwise, a tablet or even just your mobile phone will work perfectly. Now that you know how easy it is to start, I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can make money here, also how you can maximize these free tools, and where you can sell the photos, so do make sure that you stick around until the very end. And if you're enjoying the content so far, then please make sure that you hit the like and share buttons, and that you consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell too. Now back to the tutorial. Besides hotpot.ai, another really useful tool to help you earn money working this gig is this website called Removebg. So it's another tool, like I said, that's absolutely free, and it's completely online, and it will help you edit photos and design. Specifically on this platform, you can remove image backgrounds very easily and automatically. If you see this upload image button right here, click on that to yes, upload your photo, and without any effort, your image is without its original background. Simply click download to save a copy of the picture for yourself for free and also hassle-free. And just like on hotpot.ai, you can use any device that's available to you as well, and that makes it really convenient, doesn't it? Alright, so now that you know about and have those basic editing capabilities covered, let's move on to the part where you can make money. And it's through this site called peopleperhour.com. Now on this platform, I want you to type in colorized photos on the search bar, and check this out, guys. People are selling this particular service anywhere from $10, $15, $20, $30, $50, and the money that you will make here is no joke. Check this user out. His name is Hung L, and he actually charges a hefty $50 per photo, and he's gotten 2,361 booked jobs to be exact, just working this gig. That's real money, guys. That's in US dollars. In fact, let's find out how much exactly he's made so far. So that would be $50 per photo multiplied by 2,361 times, and that's a whopping 118,000 US dollars. Don't you think that's insane? Because of how easy this is, that's essentially free money right there. And you can totally achieve this too, without any skills and for completely free just by using the tools that I showed you. So I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking that this Hung guy is one in a million. He's probably the only person making money here. So let's check out how others are doing. So this user, Omar F, he charges $10 and he's booked 140 projects. That's 1,400 US dollars. Not bad. Nazmul I over here charges $15 and he's booked 371 projects. That makes him over $5,500. That's still pretty sweet, guys. And here's Apu M, who's booked 170 projects at $60 each, making him over 10,000 US dollars. Wow, so as you can see, while the first user, Hung, made the most here, other people are also making a great deal of money. And if you want a piece of that pie, you need to get started doing it as soon as you can. Of course, you can plan a strategy out, and I will share some tips with you. To get started, you can offer an introductory price. This will help you get clients and reviews, which is what a lot of potential clients and customers on this site are looking for. Consider starting with 10 or even as low as 5 or 8 bucks just to attract customers before you work your way up. Once you've done work for a few people and they're satisfied with the results and turnaround time, you can then ask them to leave you a review. And you know what? Once your reviews start coming in, you should be able to book projects more and more easily and also increase your prices too. Another tip that I can share with you would be to create packages for your services. Instead of coloring just one photo for 8 or 10 bucks a piece, you can offer basic and premium packages that range from $30 to $50 to $80, where you color 3, 5, 10, 15, or 20 photos at a time. You can also offer your background removal service, which, as I showed you earlier, you can do so easily and for free. The final tip, I would suggest that you sign up to as many freelance websites as you can and offer this same service. You know, different customers frequent different platforms, and if you put yourself out there and take advantage of all of these free platforms, then there's a higher chance to book more clients. Alright, so besides People Per Hour, I would suggest Fiverr.com and Upwork.com. Both these websites have also been proven to be legit, and clients from all over the world do trust these platforms and look for freelancers on here. Now remember, this gig is not going to replace your day job, at least not right away. But the money that you can make here is real, and you can definitely combine this strategy with the other ones that I've taught you here on this channel to make sure that you are able to set up multiple income streams for yourself and eventually gain financial freedom. Make sure that you check our other videos out to find out which ones will work best for you, which ones you get the most excited about, and those are the ones that you can try out first. Whatever it is that you choose, get started today and you're one step closer to your goals. I sure hope that this video gave you inspiration and something to get excited about. And if it did, then make sure to leave us a like and comment so that you can join our community here on YouTube. It's completely free too, and we do share multiple money-making ideas with you every single week. With all of that said, I hope you got a ton of value from today and that you're inspired to start building wealth. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, do leave them down below and we'll be happy to answer you. Also, let us know what you want to see next and we can include it in our video pipeline. If you're interested to keep learning, I'll leave some of my other videos that I think you'll enjoy down in the comment section or description box, so make sure you check those out. Take care, guys! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.